Futures trading moves fast. One late entry, one moved stop, or one oversized contract can change the entire session. Take a chaotic breakout trade. You rush the entry, panic at the pullback, and take a frustrating loss. A futures journal like TradeZella optimizes execution by automatically syncing that raw broker data. No manual spreadsheets required. Then, its trade replay feature reconstructs that exact trade tick by tick. You can visually see the exact second you chased the entry too late. But while the replay shows what mechanically went wrong on the chart, price action alone can't explain why you abandoned your stop discipline. That's where emotional tags come in. By tagging this execution with FOMO, you connect the psychological trigger directly to the mechanical failure. Reviewing these tagged patterns alongside historical backtests proves whether your issue is a broken strategy or just broken execution habits. And that chaotic breakout trade from the beginning, it becomes a clear, correctable data point inside your journal. Because better execution only starts when every single decision, both the good and the bad, becomes completely reviewable. Try TradeZella through iLink and get 20% off today.